Hello friends, welcome to today's updates. Tata Motors has dropped 44% from its 52-week high. Tata Motors is seen under pressure due to continuous selling in both the exchanges over last few months. During July 2024, the stock had hit a 52-week high of 1,179 rupees, which is declined close to 44% since then. This steep fall is understood mainly because of low demand of Jaguar Land Rover in key markets like China and the UK, and also due to worries of tariff on European-made cars. In India, weak sales in medium and heavy commercial vehicles along with competition in the EV segment has caused the stock to fall to its present levels. If we see any positive momentum in sales across JLR segment, that could be a good indication in the future. UltraTech Cement recently announced that they plan to enter wires and cable segment and will invest about 1,800 crores. Manufacturing plant is expected to be set up in next 2 years in Gujarat and is expected to be commissioned by December 2026 according to UltraTech Cements. Companies which are already working in this segment was visibly under pressure due to this news. Companies such as Havells India, RR Cable, Polycab India, Universal Cables, V-Guard Industries, Sterlite Technologies Limited were reacting to this recent development. Dr. Reddy's, in its regulatory disclosure, said that US FDA inspected its API facility in Bollaram in Hyderabad. Dr. Reddy's has received the establishment inspection report. The US FDA has classified this inspection as voluntary action needed and concluded that the inspection is closed. Go Digital General Insurance Company recently disclosed that they have bought about 1.32% stakes in Dr. Reddy's laboratory. Dr. Reddy's laboratory works on products and services that includes API, custom pharmaceutical services, differentiated formulations, generics and also biosimilars. Wipro announced on Wednesday that the company plans to invest about $200 million in its subsidiary Wipro Ventures to speed up its funding for startup in the innovation space. Wipro Ventures was started about 10 years ago with the main function including identifying the startups with great potential and investing in them to help them to move to the higher levels. Wipro mentioned that this investment reaffirms their commitment to helping startups grow faster, innovate and also collaborate with IT service industry to support large enterprises. IRCTC shares fell nearly 40% from its 52-week high. The share had hit a 52-week high of 1,139 rupees during May 2024. IRCTC has declined to a 52-week low recently. IRCTC earns most of its revenue from online ticketing for AC trains, where IRCTC charges 30 rupees when booking via online banking and 20 rupees when booked through UPI application. However, most of the passenger traffic, about 95%, travel through the non-AC class. For any future growth, IRCTC is dependent on the government to increase the number of AC trains. IRCTC shares gave multifold returns to its investors from 2019 to 2021. The stock PE jumped from 43 in 2029 to 320 PE during 2021. Hence, overvaluation is seen as one of the reasons for the steep decline in stock prices over last 1 year. If you found this content helpful, please hit the like button to express your support and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.